So if you've ever wondered, why is your life the way it is? We often look at our lives and say, well, because I came from here, or because I came from there, or because my dad was mean to me, or whatever happened to us in our lives, and we try and justify what's happening in our life. I used to do this a lot, and then I started to learn that our mind is created by whatever we put in. Our life was created by whatever we put into our mind. And so our mind is like a mental factory that's creating our reality around us. And so depending on the quality of the things you put in your mind, the conversations you have, the stuff you read, the stuff you watch, will eventually manifest into your day-to-day life. And so a great thing I learned is that stand guard at the door to your mind, because the ingredients that you put into your mind will create your life around you. So I have a strict rule is avoid negativity at all costs. Don't watch the news or read the newspapers. These are big decisions I made because I didn't want the garbage going into my mind and producing garbage results in my life. And that's one of the greatest things I learned is watch what your mind is generating. Don't put more garbage in, and the results in your life will start to change. You'll find yourself happier, calmer, more focused, and ultimately you'll get on a clear path to achieving your vision without all the distractions of the garbage around us. So stand guard at the door to your mind, don't let any rubbish in, and start to live the life that you really want. Thanks, we'll see you again soon.